My name is Ron Inchausti. I own Coast Motor Werk. We're in Huntington Beach, California. We also have locations in Irvine and Costa Mesa. We specialize in BMW Mini Coopers. The project behind me is one of Clarion Builds' projects. It's a 1981 Mercedes 380SLC. It's a rare sight to see a Mercedes in our repair shop, but it's also a fun project to work on. When we received this car, the condition in the car was fairly decent, but just weathered and old. It was showing its age. The role of Coast Motor Werk in this project was to make the car look as new as possible, upgrades wherever possible, and make the car more of a today driver. We did pretty much everything you can see and imagine, from the tires, wheels, brakes, suspension, driveline, everything from the engine and transmission completely being rebuilt, to air conditioning, wiring, everything in the cooling system. We took the entire dash out and rebuilt everything behind the dashboard, including a heater core and evaporator core. The entire driveline from the back end of the car to the very front of the car really was completely gone through. Everything was replaced that needed to be replaced. So some of the challenges of working on a car this old are getting parts, and sometimes you have to be a little creative and update the car with current, maybe slightly newer vehicles' parts. So the experience in this car with the updated wheels and tires is a little better grip, a little better cornering, a little nicer feel driving down the road, and of course it's a beautiful ride. So our partnership with Clarion Builds is one of mutual respect. Clarion really wants their vehicles to perform as well as they look, both in the way they drive as well as the way they sound and the way they feel. I think this car achieved it rather well. I would have to say this is probably like a brand new 38-year-old car.